How to block and unblock friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can block and unblock friends on Snapchat. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for Snapchat. If you see an update option available, then tap on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open Snapchat. Now you will land to the recording page of Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in to your account. From the very bottom panel, click on Friends section. Now you will land to your chat section. Search for your friend that you want to block or unblock. You can directly tap on their profile to open this kind of interface, or you can go to their chat and tap on their name at the top. Once you land here, then at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. Now this kind of menu will open. From this menu, select the second option, Manage Friendship. Again, another menu will open. Select Block and click on Block to block the person. Once they are blocked, you can unblock them simply by following the same process, or you can go to your profile section and to your settings. In your settings, scroll down. Under Privacy Controls, tap on Blocked Users. Here you will see all of your friends that you have blocked. Tap on the person you would like to unblock and click on Yes. This way they will be unblocked on Snapchat. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.